Hi, I'm Melissa from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to attach an infant car seat to your Graco Modes Nest2Grow Stroller, which accepts all Graco models. The infant car seat can only be used in the top seating position. To attach the infant car seat, you'll need to use the accessory mounts that came with your stroller. Locate and remove the accessory mounts from the stroller basket pocket. Attach the accessory mounts to the top stroller mount. Check that they're attached by pulling up on them. Insert the infant car seat onto the accessory mounts and push down on the stroller until it latches into place. Check that the infant car seat is securely attached by pulling up on it. When only using the stroller with the infant car seat, the car seat can be attached facing either direction. When using the car seat with another accessory attached to the bottom seating position, the car seat must be attached rear facing. See your instruction manual for a list of approved combinations.